Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be telling you how you can add dual WhatsApp in your device Vivo Y22s. So if you want to add dual WhatsApp to your device, you can add it by following the few steps which I'll be telling you in my today's video. But before we move on to the video, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe or press the bell icon so you won't miss any of my updates. Now watch this complete video and you will learn how you can add dual WhatsApp to your device.